When it comes to preventing collisions and remaining safe on the road, strong defensive driving skills are crucial. Defensive driving allows you to anticipate potentially dangerous on-the-road situations. Here are some basic strategies to keep in mind. Stay sharp. Ensure you are well rested before getting behind the wheel. When you drive fatigued, the chances of becoming distracted and getting into an accident increase. Complete pre- and post-trip inspections. Poorly managed vehicles can increase the risk of accidents or affect your ability to react to on-the-road hazards. Completing pre- and post-trip inspections ensures that your vehicle's tires, brakes, mirrors, and other critical safety components are in good repair. Know your route and anticipate potential hazards. Prior to your trip, do your research to ensure you are prepared for potential hazards. In particular, check the weather, investigate road conditions, and determine if your routes are impacted by construction. Avoid distractions. Focus on driving and do not let anything divert your attention. Avoid texting, dialing a cell phone, eating, or reaching for items in the cabin. Look ahead. When it comes to defensive driving, many driving coaches recommend looking at least 12 to 15 seconds ahead. Constantly scan the road ahead of you and check your mirrors looking for any apparent hazards. Use your turn signals. Signaling devices give other drivers on the road advance warning of your intentions. Turn signals should be used whenever you change lanes, pass vehicles, merge with traffic, pull over, or make a left or right-hand turn. Maintain a good following distance. The more distance you put between yourself and other drivers, the more time you will have to react to dangerous scenarios. Many experts recommend that you maintain at least 4 seconds of distance. Manage your speed. While it may be tempting to drive at or above the speed limit, driving a commercial vehicle calls for precise speed management. In fact, drivers should base their driving speed on road conditions, weather, visibility, and traffic patterns rather than the posted speed limit. Above all, drivers should drive at speeds that allow them to control their vehicle. Together, these defensive driving techniques can ensure you're ready for any potential surprises that come your way. For more information, contact your supervisor.